In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to SuperGrok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your upgrade so your enhanced access is ready to use right away. First, open Grok in your web browser. Type the official site address into the address bar and press enter. For the smoothest experience, use a modern, up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so the upgrade applies to the correct profile. Next, look for your profile area. On desktop, you'll typically see your avatar or initials in the upper right corner of the page. Click it to open your account menu. On mobile, you may need to tap a menu icon first, then your profile. If you manage more than one account in your browser, double check that you're on the one you want to upgrade before moving on. From your profile menu, choose Upgrade Plan. This takes you to the subscription or billing section where available plans are listed. Give the page a moment to load fully so all options and details appear. If you don't immediately see the upgrade option, scroll down the page and look for a section labeled Plans or Subscription. Now select the SuperGrok plan. You'll see the plan name along with a summary of what it includes. If there's a choice between billing frequencies, pick the one that fits your needs. Take a moment to review the plan description so you're confident you've chosen the right level of access. When you're ready, proceed to the checkout screen. Enter your preferred payment method and billing details. Carefully type your card or payment information, then your billing name and address exactly as they appear with your provider to avoid verification errors. Review any taxes or fees shown in the order summary and confirm that the total and the plan name match what you expect. Before you finalize, ensure the email on your account is correct so you receive the confirmation message and receipt. When everything looks good, confirm the purchase. The system will process your payment and your enhanced Grok access should unlock immediately. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh your browser or sign out and back in to see the new plan reflected on your account. You can then return to the main app experience and start using the features included with SuperGrok without any additional setup. That's it. You've successfully upgraded to SuperGrok. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced access.